in order to eject SIM tray on Nothing Phone 3, what we need to do is we need to prepare the eject tool. I'm gonna use my own one, but of course you can find the eject tool inside the box of the phone as well. At the bottom of the phone, you should be able to find the SIM tray, which is over here. And you can also see this little hole that we have on a SIM tray. This hole is used in order to eject the SIM tray. So we insert the eject tool into this hole over here and then use a little bit of force in order to make it, to push it out slightly. So once it is ejected slightly like this, we can use fingernails or fingers in order to completely remove the SIM tray from the phone. And now, as you can see, this is how the SIM tray looks like. Here we have the SIM1 symbol, and on the reverse side we actually have SIM2. So let's actually insert the SIM card. We need to, of course, match the shape of the slot. There we go. And then, of course, on the other side, if you want to use second SIM card, you can just insert it the same way. It goes in pretty easily. You shouldn't have any issues with inserting it. Let me try that again, actually. So if you have issues with inserting this SIM card, you should be able to push it in. Make sure that it is actually fully in. You should hear a little click when you properly insert the SIM card. Otherwise, you might have troubles with inserting the SIM tray back into the phone. Push it down with your fingers like this. Make sure that it doesn't stick out or anything. And that's all. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.